Hello and welcome to Chemistry Nuggets, where you can polish your knowledge and clear your doubts. Friends, today's video is part 13 of Thermodynamics class 11 chemistry. So let's have a look. In this part we are going to discuss about Hess law. So Hess law, also known as Hess law of constant heat summation. Now what is that actually? It is according to the statement, if a reaction takes place in several steps, then its standard reaction enthalpy is the sum of the standard enthalpies of the intermediate reactions in which the overall reaction may be divided at the same temperature. So first point is the temperature should be same. Now here what actually it is, suppose there is a reaction, A is the reactant and the product is B, and its standard reaction enthalpy of this reaction is delta RH. Fine. Now if we are not going directly from A to B, some can take the intermediate steps, like from A, C is made, from C, D product is made, and then from D we reach to B. So if the reaction goes like this in the small intermediate steps, then for A to C delta RH1 we can mention, for C to D delta RH2, and here D to B delta RH3 we can mention. Now according to Hess law, in simple words, delta RH standard for the reaction is equal to the sum of all the standard enthalpies of the intermediate reaction. So here it is delta RH1 plus delta RH2 standard all plus delta RH3 standard. So the main total overall standard enthalpy of the reaction is the sum of all the intermediate standard enthalpies. That's all is the Hess law. So this will be used in numerical. There is nothing more about this, but the main point is the reaction and the intermediate steps should be continued in the same temperature. So friends, that's all for today in this video. It's a small portion. Do like, share, subscribe the channel. Till then, thank you.